Good morning, dear students. How are you? We can continue our chapter adaptations in animals. Are you ready? Open your chapter and look where we are discussing now. Okay? As you know, the name of the chapter adaptations in animals. We will learn now these main topic adaptation. What is this adaptation? In previous chapter we also learned about the habitats and adaptation. Adaptation is a process or features which are helpful for the animals or living organisms to survive in adverse condition or in their habitat. So those features of their bodies are called as adaptation of those animals. Got it? Adaptations are the features which help the animals to survive in their habitat easily. Come to next. In this chapter today we learn about the classification of animal on the basis of adaptation for protection, means save themselves. So yesterday we learn about that one, color protection, means how they change the color according to their surroundings and protect themselves. That property is called as camouflage. Now today we will learn more about that process in which the animals protect themselves by the fast movement. Some animals like frog, fish, houseflies move very fast to escape from their enemies. Got it? Means running fast. It is a good adaptation of the animals to protect themselves from their enemies. Another one is the size. Large size. Some animals such as elephants, whales are too much big, so other animals cannot eat. So that is another type of adaptation. Got it? In order to protection, another features of the body like shell and spines. In some animals whose body is soft, like a porcupine, is covered with the spines or quills, which is released on its attacker, like a bullet of gun. The bodies of crab and turtle are protected by the shell. The shell and spines. The spine is also called as quills. Got it? So these also a kind of adaptation to protect themselves from their enemy. Another one is poisonous bite. Did you listen about the insect bite, a scorpion bite, a snake bite, and honeybee bite? That is called a sting bite. Means some animals have a sting in their body. When other animals come near to them and try to give the harm, then use their sting to protect themselves from the enemies. Here it is written some animals like a scorpion and a snake have a poisonous bite or a sting which keeps them safe from their enemies. Next we will learn hibernation. Hibernation is another feature by which they can keep themselves safe from their enemies. Say, in winter, some animals sleep for a great length of the time in the cave or underground burrow. This process of sleeping is called as hibernation. Hibernation is, in short, it is called as winter sleep or summer sleep. It is the tell summer or winter, it is the winter sleep. During this time, they use the stored up food, usually fat, present in their bodies. Some animals that hibernate are frog, insects, snails. One here, hibernation performed by the dormouse. Another process, estivation. Estivation, this is called as summer sleep. Hibernation, winter sleep, while estivation, summer sleep. In some animals, like desert animals, basically go for a long time to save water it is called as estivation, and it is performed by the animals in summer season when scarcity of water is there in their habitat. Okay. Now here adaptation in the organs of movement means now another type of the adaptation in the body. Yes, animals like a dog, deer move with the help of their limbs. Limbs means legs. Limbs are also helpful in catching their prey. Some animals like snakes have no limbs. They move with the help of scales and muscles of their bodies. Animals such as fish and that live in water have a fins for swimming. Birds have the wings for flying. Insects have the legs and wings for the movement. Got it? So this type of the here we saw the adaptation in organ of movement. Now further we can see the adaptation in the organs of breathing. Got it? Means how they are suitable for their habitat in breathing. Look, animals such as prawn and fish have that live in water. They breathe through their gills. Animal living on the land will breathe through the help of lungs. Example: lizard, dog, cats, human beings. Insects breathe with the help of air holes, and that is called as spiracles. Got it? What are the spiracles? Tiny, small holes found on the surface of their body. The spiracles lead into the breathing tube. That tube is called as trachea, and earthworm breathe through their body surface. Got it? You can see in the picture gills found in the fish through which they take the energy. Next one, man. It is showing the lungs. Lungs take the air inside and use the oxygen, and when it contract push the carbon dioxide rich water air in the environment. Another one, spiracles are present in the insect. Got it? Okay. Now here some question related to your habitats. Some of the organ of movement of the following animals means movement organs which move the fish. What which organ helps to move the fish? You have to write the name. Butterfly, again you have to write the name. Third one, birds. So what is the organ of movement in the birds? You have to write. What is the organ of movement in dogs? You can write yourself. Okay. Thank you. Today we saw the fur and hair according to the climatic condition of the habitat. Other side we saw scales. Next we saw the camouflage, means by hiding themselves in their surroundings. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.